waiting for people to join. Hello everyone, this side Mansi Mishra from Evento. Hello everyone, this side Mansi Mishra from Evento. I want to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. As we all are being asked to go along with dramatic mandates and recommended for changes in our daily lives, as using masks and sanitizers, but where the world is yet to find a permanent solution to the COVID-19, boosting immune system remains the tried and tested method to fight the pandemic. So today, as today is a Freedom Day, let's we as a team decided to set ourselves and people out there free ourselves from the negativity. So today we will be having Archana Rao. Archana Rao comes with over 2 decades of experiences in areas of corporate talent search, wellness consulting, and life coaching. She heads Laughter Yoga India for the past 6 years, an organization created to spread the essence of laughter in human living in areas of health, happiness, and peace. She's also a laughter ambassador for India and represents India in the global Laughter Yoga Forum. She has recently been interviewed by SBS TV channel in Australia, India Express, Radio City, Radio Mirchi, and Fever 104 channels in India. Owing to her presence in corporate talent management space, she understands how stress is affecting our work life balance for most of us. She provides laughter yoga sessions as a natural remedies for today's stressful and busy life. She is a Reiki healer. Her mantra in life is to spread the joy of laughter to one and all, and has so far touched over 50,000 plus people's lives through laughter yoga. She has been successfully delivering sessions for corporates also, like Accenture, Wipro, HP, Deloitte, Tommy Hilfiger, Bayer, Siemens, Simpress, Sanofi, Reliance, and many more. So today we will be having this laughter yoga ambassador. So welcome. Archana. Today is a very special day with a very special lady on a very special topic. Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
super fantastic.
Happy
Loving the
Independence Day.
beautiful introduction. Feels wow. Happy Independence Day to you too and all our viewers.
Okay. So I was telling viewers about your achievements, like you are a laughter ambassador of our India. It's so proud to have you here and on this platform. So basically, we want to know like what is laughter yoga and how you get it into it.
Sure. But before we start, how about laughing with me right now to start the session? Even if
Sure.
it means you're faking looking at me, let us see what happens. All right. Here
Okay,
we go
so
on a count of 1, 2, 3. All our viewers, you can look at us and laugh at your home, at your comfort. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
oh my God.
Mansi, get a little more.
Oh my God. So excited. Seriously,
Yes,
it's really good.
I can see
It
your smile.
changes mood as suddenly, you know?
Absolutely. You nailed it. Laughter is like instant vacation. It changes your mood instantly. So
Yeah.
now I think we can talk. Now that I see that bright smile on your face and you're already ready to listen, and all our viewers are also here. So let me first share what is laughter yoga, and then
Yeah,
probably
sure.
look at more questions and how the audience are engaging. So, just to give a brief, laughter yoga is a unique concept where anybody can laugh without any reason. We don't rely on jokes, we don't rely on comedy. Uh,
Sure.
we ideally start this with simple clapping and having eye to eye contact of the other group members. The way you are looking at me,
Yeah.
we look at each other in a group, and we
Yeah.
bring that childlike playfulness and that laughter, even if it is faking, it becomes real because laughter is
Yeah.
contagious. And the only reason why this is called as laughter yoga is because we do a lot of deep breathing exercise. In
Yeah.
between these activities, we do a lot of deep breathing, just the way we do in pranayama. That's the only reason why this is called as laughter yoga. And
Okay.
I want our viewers to know one important fact, scientific fact, that our body cannot differentiate between real or a fake laughter. You still get
Oh,
the same physical, mental, emotional, and psychological benefit. So just
this
for
is
today,
really,
how about
yeah.
fake it till you make it? So laughter is
Okay.
based on that particular funda where you fake it till you make it. And because there are
Okay.
so many benefits, we fake so many things in our life. So how about
Yeah.
just for today, fake laughter and see the benefit? And this was introduced by a medical doctor, Dr. Madan Kataria, in India in 1995 in a small park with just five members in 1995. And as on today, there are thousands of laughter clubs spread across the world. So once again, can we laugh? Now that you know the
Yes.
benefit, that is also good. Try
Yeah.
with freedom. Okay? We are talking about Independence Day. Freedom. Here we go.
Freedom. Oh God. If someone is hesitant about loud, loud laugh, then what? Is there any other alternative?
Yeah, there is. I can tell you immediately. I can see that at times you're feeling little shy because sometimes, particularly in India, we women
Yeah.
have been, the upbringing has been so that we've always been restricted. जोर से नहीं हंसना है. Shh, इतना जोर जोर से नहीं हंसना है. We have been always been restricted.
Bounded with
But
some things.
laughter is,
Yeah.
yeah. We have invented something called as silent laughter. Okay, and this
Okay.
is now that we are starting the conversation, let me teach all my and your audience here how to
Yeah.
laugh with good sound for your health and
Okay.
happiness.
Sure.
And what you do is you just a small secret. So this is a very successful exercise called as silent laughter for all the corporates so far, and even for housewife. I say you need to do this in the washroom while you are on the sitting on the WC. Why you do it on the washroom? I'll tell you later. Let's try. Okay, imagine
Okay.
you are sitting in the washroom. You keep your hand on your stomach so that you know that you're laughing. Your stomach is moving when you're laughing. Okay, ready?
Okay.
So now it is
Yeah.
silent laughter. I want to see the best from you. Okay, here we go. One, two, three.
Amazing.
Guys,
Seriously.
I am loving this. I am loving this. So we do silent laughter. So what have I trained to all my participants is, see, there are times in life when you're going through challenging situation. You had a fight with
Yeah.
your spouse. You had some fight at home, or in your office you are going through some stress. Instead of worrying, go to the washroom because nobody is seeing you. Number one. Number two, you're not laughing loudly, so nobody is judging you. So just
Yeah.
sit on the WC and just start laughing for your
Amazing.
health, your happiness. This is the best thing that you can try.
Yeah,
Somebody is
sure.
messaging.
We
Shubhani is
all will
messaging.
be trying it.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
So remember, guys, your health is important, and when you're laughing like this, you're releasing endorphins. Endorphins are these feel good hormone, and when you
Yeah.
laugh like this for 15 minutes every day as a practice, you will not fall sick. Laughter yoga practice helps you to build your immune system. So
Yeah.
and it eliminates any kind of stress, be it physical, mental, emotional, psychological. Any kind of stress can be eliminated by doing laughter yoga. So that try it out.
Once more. Okay.
Okay, on silent laughter. Okay, lot of students, you know what they do, which I've trained. I keep doing these programs for students, college students particularly.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
when they go for interview, you know, and even people who are generally going for an interview, they're nervous. They're very
Yeah.
while they have so much of idea, they start sweating.
They're
Their
chewing
hands
their
are red.
nails and yeah, and rubbing their hands. Yeah.
And really red and hot. So I say go to the
Yeah.
washroom and or the next best thing is we have got something called as mobile phone laughter. Okay, so imagine you have received a phone call from your friend. This is a mobile phone. So let's do one more exercise. I'm teaching all our viewers one more exercise. This is called as mobile phone laughter.
Mobile
So you
phone.
are ready? Okay, so show
Okay,
me.
sure.
This is your mobile. For now, this is your
Okay,
mobile. Okay,
fine.
just hold it and just randomly just laugh as if you're talking to somebody, your best friend. Okay, ready? One,
Okay.
two, three. Here we go.
Okay. Yeah.
So you can try mobile phone laughter. You can have your laughter buddies. So people ask me, you're always laughing, you're always happy. You never cry, right? I said, no, at the end of the day, I have emotions too. I also get
Yeah,
this one this here and there.
yeah.
I also cry, but then when situation like this happen, what I do is I have my laughter buddies. I pick up the
Yeah.
phone and I say, things are not okay, laugh with me right now. And then we start laughing. So the mood changes
Okay.
instant. The mood changes
Yeah.
instant.
So
Just
we
like
need to
how
have
you said,
laughter buddies also.
you need to have laughter buddies also. We can create some nice laughter buddies, yes.
So for that, we need to create a team of laughter.
Absolutely, absolutely. We can.
Okay.
Yes.
So like these days, without stepping out of your house, with these confined homes, like how do you your work going on? Like how you make arrangements regarding meetings and all? Like what you do?
Yeah. So when the pandemic began, we all were lost. Let's actually, we
Yeah.
all were confused. One, we were thinking that this is just short term, so maybe a week or 2 week, and then we saw the big surprise and shock coming in that it kept on extending. We don't know when and what. So
Yeah.
I think by first week onwards, I started thinking, what is it that I should do? Because my sessions are mostly in the crowd. I mean, invited by my corporate clients where I travel to different cities, and I have a crowd of anywhere between 100 to 1,000 people at one go where I deliver these programs
Yeah.
as a motivational speaker and more on the wellness space. But when the pandemic began, I said, now social distancing, people cannot gather.
Yeah.
So then the client started reaching out and say, can you do something online? So initially, I said no. I was skeptical too. I said, how am I going to make people laugh online, where I'm not seeing them? Maybe I'm seeing them on a camera,
Camera.
on a video cam, but all of them are from different cities, different places. How am I going to make them laugh? But I must appreciate that this pandemic has made all of us to think out of the box, to step out of our comfort zone and do things absolutely different, which we would have never done throughout our life. So that's how now what I've done is in the last 4 months, we have amazingly delivered session on Zoom sessions where we had a crowd of nothing less than 150 to 200 people at one go. And other than Zoom, there are few clients who use Webex and other online tools through that tools. Now, this was just about the business part of it, the corporate business part of it. Apart from that, I also started doing these sessions for social cause, wherein we delivered a laughter yoga session for cancer patients and cancer survivors online on a Zoom, which was absolutely free. We did something nice for LGBT community with Mr. Gay Sham 2019 India, Mr. Gay India. So for the LGBT community. And now the next that we are going to come up is on the 29th, we will be doing a online laughter yoga session for the first time for UAE, people from Dubai, and there are few handpicked people from UK as well. So I realize that laughter is possible. You are smiling already. When you're looking at me, we are talking, we are feeling that connect. It is so comfortable.
Yeah.
So this pandemic, everything is online. Digitalization has really helped all of us in a beautiful way. So we need to choose that whatever resource we have, how we can utilize this to basically bring in some add value in our life and people's life. Yes.
Okay. So like is can we say laughter exercise is the alternative of yoga?
Yeah, so what happens in laughter yoga session, as I said earlier, the only reason why they say it is yoga is because we bring in a lot of deep breathing in between the exercise. Otherwise, in laughter, we don't do like a typical yoga has got a combination of pranayama, yoga has a combination of asanas and all.
Yeah.
So people think that yoga, do I need to bring laughter yoga? Do I need to bring my mat? Do I need to comfortably dress up? Are we
Yeah.
going to lift our hand? Are we going to do some asanas and all? We are not doing any asanas, but simple clapping. So laughter yoga is all about bringing childlike playfulness. And the only reason why it is yoga, because in between so much of laughter, just now you saw just one or two exercise and just a glimpse. But imagine these sessions, we do it for 40 minutes, 45 minutes, where people are continuously laughing. They need to
Yeah.
have little more
Yeah.
positivity. So that
Yeah.
we do
Move.
breathe in and breathe out, and it becomes easy. So if we ask people to sit and do a pranayama, there are people who may feel little bored and they may not be very comfortable. But imagine when you're laughing, what are you doing? You are exhaling all the stale air from your lungs, and
Yeah.
then in between we are breathing. So the same thing in a fun way, we get the audience engaged and make them laugh, because laughter is so simple and easy, but with the so much of stress and so much of worry, people have forgotten to laugh. Forget about laughter, they've forgotten to smile. So that is where laughter
Yeah,
really adds value in people's life.
yeah. Don't they never thought of spreading laughter? They barely even themselves like they barely laugh even.
So laughter is contagious. You know what? Recent studies show that stress is contagious. Okay, that means if one person in the house is stressful, he is giving that stress to other person also. You would have seen somebody
Yeah,
comes from office,
yeah.
gets angry, frustrated,
It
out of
happens.
all of that,
Yeah,
he's shouting at the spouse or children, and the entire environment gets goes for a toss. Now
yeah.
the good news is laughter is contagious too. So we can choose what is it that we want to spread. We want to spread stress, we want to spread worry, or we want to spread laughter. It is as simple as that. Yeah.
So,
So
so what? Yeah, say
so our viewers have any questions? We would be when you were laughing, we started.
laughing
Somebody
too.
that's the beauty. See,
Yeah,
you guys are looking at us, both of us smiling. Laughter has got that beautiful thing where when you look at the other person laughing, you will start laughing too. So laughter is contagious, and that's the best part of laughter yoga. You don't rely on jokes. So if you ask me, Archana, can you tell some joke or comedy? And I'm like, I am pathetic at jokes and comedy. People will start crying when I do jokes. But still, we are able to make people laugh. That is possible through these simple exercises that we are talking about.
really great initiative. It's the first time I have ever heard.
Yes,
Yeah,
Sonia.
it happens. People don't know about the laughter yoga sometimes. Sometimes I
Yeah.
even,
So
yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm interrupting you.
No, 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 no.
So in laughter yoga, we have something called as sorry laughter. The moment you realize that you are making
Oh,
some mistake, instead of sorry is so simple, right? But our
yeah.
egos does not allow us to say that one simple thing sorry. So in laughter yoga, we say, how about saying sorry that you made a mistake just by holding your ears, looking at each other and just laugh. So I'm going to do right now. Maybe there was an internet lag, there was a hiccup, but I was interrupting twice and I realized that I'm interrupting. So I'm sorry. I'm going to laugh out instead of feeling heavy that I should say sorry. How about next time? Laugh out loudly, nicely.
With holding ears and ha ha. I saw your videos like ho ho ha ha.
Yeah. So ho ho ha ha is the tag for our entire laughter yoga because when you are doing ho ho ha ha ha, you are exhaling
Okay.
all the stale air from your lungs. And let me tell you, it is not easy for people to suddenly come together and laugh. If I ask everybody to come together and say, "Come on, let's laugh," they are going through so much, they're thinking so much, and they're like, why is this lady asking us to laugh? So you need to build up
Yeah.
the momentum. We start with simple clapping, childlike playfulness, and then we say ho ho ha ha ha, yeah, and then we bring this exercise, then the momentum picks up nicely, and then people are willing to laugh.
Okay. Someone is asking like, what's the difference between therapy and yoga? Wait, wait.
Okay, these are technical words that people use. There are very various therapies which are
I'm sorry. Yeah.
what happened what
Oh,
happened
by mistake.
No problem, no problem. So yoga, as I
Oh
said
shit.
earlier, the only reason why it is called as yoga because we are bringing in a lot of deep breathing like we do it in pranayama. There are a few people who call this as laughter therapy also. But again, when you say it as laughter
Sorry.
therapy, there are people who say I'm talking about jokes and comedy. So that is also laughter therapy. But why are we saying yoga? Because we are keeping all the jokes, all the therapy aside and combining this only with deep breathing and without jokes and comedy. Otherwise, the moment you go and say laughter therapy, the first mindset that everybody comes is, oh, she's going to say some jokes. She's going to crack some nice jokes and comedy. No, she's telling yoga. So it makes people to think. And then we say the difference between the laughter therapy and the yoga is laughter yoga is simple where we don't rely on jokes or comedy. And we sometimes you see these jokes and comedies are gender bias and we talk
Yeah.
about politics, we talk about so many negative things also where a few people can relate and few people don't relate. But I am
Hmm.
saying with laughter yoga, or rather all of us who are from laughter yoga family are saying that you can still laugh without putting anybody down, without talking about anything negative. Does that mean that I am against the laughter therapist? No. Everybody
Hmm.
has their own way of doing things. But yes, the whole idea is to spread positivity through laughter and joy. So let us use simple laughter exercise and don't hurt anybody's feelings or emotion. Don't talk about gender bias jokes. Don't talk about politics, but still laugh. I hope I've
Without
answered
any,
that question.
yeah, yeah, it was wonderful answer. Exactly. Someone is saying exactly.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Sonia.
So, ma'am, what are your future plans in this field? As you already have a tag, laughter yoga ambassador of India. So it's really a big tag. So, what are your future plans?
So this, I would say this pandemic has given me a lot of ideas to reach out globally. So I am looking forward to take laughter yoga to different countries. And when you talk about, you said about ambassador, this laughter ambassador is given by the Laughter University for the contribution of spreading more joy and laughter in the last 6 7 years. So
Yeah,
now the next big thing that I'm looking forward is to deliver these laughter wellness programs to different countries. And I'm also a laughter yoga master trainer who can train people to become laughter yoga trainers. So if anybody wants to become a trainer, I train them as well. So
okay.
I've recently trained one of the UK Hollywood actor. His name is Daniel Lan. He has acted in almost 2 3 movies in Hollywood, and he comes from theater background too. So he wanted to bring in creative in his acting and also
Yeah,
spread little laughter and joy in his acting skills. And also I've trained him as a laughter yoga trainer. And then we also have a wonderful lady called as Helen. She also comes
yeah.
from the theater background, and she has been looking forward to take this in UK for children and for social cause and many other. So I've trained her. You guys can actually watch her very funny videos on my social media page where I've put Helen's video where she's mopping. And that video, people loved it. So she's mopping her house and she's laughing.
Yeah,
So nowadays
even
we
I
all
have
are
seen
stressed out
that
about
today.
TV.
Yeah,
You
even
saw
I have
that?
seen that today. Yeah,
Yeah.
but I
So that
didn't
that
know.
is Helen from UK who has been trained. And one is definitely online sessions. Second is this training that we are talking about. Because Archana Rao, as a single person, how much can she spread joy and laughter? When the purpose is larger,
Then too, she covered so many people's lives.
yeah, but we have
50,000
so
plus,
many. Yeah,
even more than
yeah. So
that.
we have, yeah, around 55,000. So it is also about intention. So let
Yeah.
me share something about intention. I talk about Reiki, I talk about sound healing, because apart from laughter yoga trainer, I'm a trained Tibetan sound healer, and I use Reiki as an alternate therapy for healing people. I also use something called as Ho'oponopono, which is very beautiful technique. And there is something called as access bar, and there is something called as switch words. So these are all very beautiful modality which I combine together to, one, help people to heal, second, lead a happy and joyful life, and tell them that utilize these simple tools because life is always going to give you surprises. Uh, like this pandemic, nobody was prepared for it. It gives us such a big shock, and I would even say surprise, because we were not prepared. But if you have your tools, which are your meditation techniques, your simple tools that you practice and make it core, no matter what situation comes in your life, you will be in a better position to handle it. So the big plan is to deliver these programs globally. In fact, 29th, I think I just shared, 29th, I'm doing a free online laughter yoga session for the first time for the UAE, few of the UAE people, where they will be laughing with me, and UK as well. And yes, those are the plans. And corporate wellness is happening, one-on-one coaching is happening. And on a personal front, I'm just enjoying doing this session. Imagine there are times when you're not feeling good and you have to
Yeah.
deliver a session. Huh? You have to deliver a
Yeah.
session. Now people say that, oh my god, it was so nice, and I realized that I was not in a great mood, but I had to go and deliver. When I deliver, I receive so much that I forget all the struggle in it. So that's the best thing to do, is to become
Yeah.
a laughter yoga trainer, so that you will start delivering these sessions for people. And let me tell you, you don't need to be good at jokes or comedy. As I said earlier, my background is different. I come from an HR background. I think I should
Oh,
share that little bit.
yeah,
Let
sure, yeah,
me
sure, sure, sure. Why not?
for watching us live now. Just to give you a little background, I actually worked in a corporate. I'm an ex-employee of Wipro, And after quitting
Oh,
Wipro, I headed an HR executive search firm in Bangalore. So I used to cater to corporate in hiring their niche and leadership hiring in India and international. And
okay.
that means if companies want to hire their vice presidents or CEOs and all in India and in US and UK, I used to support them in hiring that kind of a talent. Now, 2013 is when I got into stress because recruitment is a good business. Money is very good, and people respect you because they say, "Oh,
Yeah.
HR, HR means job दिलाएगी यार. HR के साथ अच्छा
Yeah.
दोस्ती बना के रखो." That is how people think, and I used to
Yeah.
love that. People used to respect, people used to connect, and all of that. But 2013 is when I got into a lot of stress because I lost one of the opportunity, global opportunity, where I was trying to hire a candidate. And I remember at 10:30 in the night, I'm so frustrated, and I'm in this midst of mindset: do I quit all of these? I don't want to do this. I'm not enjoying this. And
Yeah.
I was also going through some challenges on my personal front. So when these two things hit me bad, all of us go through that down in our life where we
Yeah.
feel सब छोड़ दे यार कुछ नहीं करना है.
It
बोलते ना
happens.
बाहर में गया सब कुछ नहीं कर रहा है कुछ भी.
Mm.
I just want to enjoy. I don't want to do anything. So I was in that mode, but I love to watch TED Talks to motivate myself. I'm a self motivator. I try to find out tools which will help me to overcome these challenges. So I watched a TED Talk, and that was about laughter yoga. In less than 18 minutes of watching that video, it kind of completely shifted my mood. Just the way you started the session, remember when we laughed,
Yeah.
you said, "Oh my God,
Yeah.
it's changing your mood instantly." So my
Instantly.
mood
Yeah.
also changed instantly, and that is when I did a research and I said, I want to do something in this. I want to bring more laughter. And initially, when I did a research, it was more to bring laughter in my life because they always say na HR are sometimes very very serious, and I was one among them who was very very serious, and always the temper was high, and people used to get a little worried to
Yeah.
reach out and say, "बहुत गुस्से वाली है." But laughter changed. Laughter definitely transformed, and after becoming a trainer, I started delivering this for social cause. So I've been a Rotary member too. So through Rotary, we used to deliver sessions for cancer patients, for underprivileged children, for children affected with AIDS in Bangalore. So through our club called as Bangalore Green City, we used to do that. The journey to corporate was a big surprise. So one of the organization requested me if I can deliver a session for children affected with AIDS in Bangalore, and they invited me there. I said, yeah, I'll be more than happy. I love kids. So I said,
Yeah.
anything for kids. So after delivering the session, they invited me for lunch and they said, how about bringing this laughter yoga to corporate? And I said, I am going to run. Corporates, they
Yeah.
don't even smile. Forget about laughter. I cannot do it. 2013 is when I used to say, nahi baba, nahi, main nahi kar sakta hai. They don't even smile. Because I've been there, right? I've been a
Yeah.
part of a corporate world. I know how stressful it is. So then they said, you try, we are giving you an opportunity. And that's how the shift from a leading recruitment firm to laughter yoga happened. This is more meaningful to me when I see people laughing at the end of the session,
Yeah.
when they come and hug and they love the meditation technique. That makes me feel fulfilling. People even now sometimes say, "Yaar, pagal हो रहे थे. इतना अच्छा recruitment का business छोड़ के she has got into laughter yoga and wellness." I said, I know what I am receiving. I'm
Yeah.
enjoying it thoroughly. So what
Yeah.
matters to me is what I love. It becomes my passion, and I only focus on that. Money, business, everything will fall in place, but do what you love the most, and rest everything will fall in place. So that's how the entire shift and transformation from heading an HR executive search, having a 15 members team in Bangalore, catering to corporate leadership hiring, leaving everything, and then getting into laughter yoga.
Laughter yoga. But it is really amazing because you really enjoy it and it's really a passion for you and seriously amazing.
Absolutely, absolutely. I'm sure each one of us have the passion for something. All I would recommend is uh, whatever is your passion, make it as your core. And I'm not saying that means that you quit your job and immediately get into it. There is a process to it.
Yeah.
Never leave your passion, because the more you focus on that, other things can be taken care. You're working, say for example, somebody loves to play a guitar or somebody loves to
Yeah.
sing. So most of the time, what they do is they forget that passion. They get into the business or corporate. They forget their passion. But this passion, when you are doing, it will give you more meaning, full life, and happy and joy in your own life. So do something for your inner soul. For example, my inner soul is to watch you laughing with me, smile, and bringing that smile. That makes me feel good. So each one of us, whatever is that core, hold it strong, start doing this and giving it to the people. Even if you're singing simple bathroom singer हो तो भी चार लोगों को गा के सुना दो यार. You're cooking something nice, प्यार से किसी को खिला के देखो. That's your passion, and you will feel
Yeah.
wow about it, and you will feel proud about it. I see some comments there. Ho ho ha ha. Acha, let's do one laughter exercise. Looks like too much of
Okay.
talking. I want all our audience to laugh a little. Okay. So
Yeah.
guys, all those people who are watching, I'm going to teach you one exercise which is called as I don't know laughter. So during this pandemic, many people said, I don't know what to do, how to do.
Yeah.
When is going to pandemic going to end? What will I do? I don't have a job. So I would say there are times in life when you don't know what to do. Instead of stressing and worrying and asking for answers, just do this laughter exercise called as I don't know laughter. Okay. So here we go. I'm going to laugh and you're going to laugh with me also. Right? Here we
Okay.
go.
Sure.
You just put
Sure.
it like this and you don't know what to do and just laugh. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Really don't know what to do.
Don't know what to do. So the point here is your health is most important. Your peace
Yeah.
is most important. When you worry so much, when you take stress and tension, you'll be paying for your medical bills. Instead of that, next time you don't know what to do, just go like this and say, I don't know what. Look at yourself in the mirror. Each one of you who is laughing in front of the mirror, you look so beautiful and amazing. So go in front of the mirror and just say, I don't know what's happening. Laugh.
I'm a bit shy in laughing, but I'll do it that secret wala in washroom.
Smiling, you're already smiling. I like that. Your cheeks, when you're talking, it's all normal, but when you're smiling, you're shy because, as I said, right now it's only two of us. I can challenge
Yeah.
you. When the lockdown is over, I'll get you in a group. You are going to laugh like how, and even
Okay,
online.
sure.
Let's get you online. You're from Mumbai, right? You're from Mumbai.
No, I'm from Kanpur.
You're from where do
Actually,
you
we all
live?
are working from home. That's why.
Otherwise, where do you live?
Ma'am?
Otherwise, where do
Kanpur.
you live? Kanpur.
Kanpur.
Okay, someday in future when I come to Kanpur, I will
Sure,
definitely make
ma'am.
you laugh. Or you can get onto the Zoom calls. You will see you will laugh more. Right now, there's little consciousness because we are also checking the comments. We want the audience also to get engaged. There is so much going on. इसलिए बोलते ना, I don't know what's up.
someone is someone is saying, लेकिन हंसते हंसते रोना भी आ जाता है.
Okay, so it is absolutely fine. In fact, most of my session, I've always seen there are people who laugh, and at the end of the session, when the meditation happens, they just break down and they cry. Crying is amazing and fantastic. Don't think it is your
Yeah.
weakness. जो को भी बोलता है ना weakness है उन सबको बोलो टाटा bye bye. Crying is an emotion. You need to experience every emotion as it is. हंसते हंसते रोना इसीलिए आ रहा है because you are experiencing those emotions and it is just coming out. Let it happen. I have seen my sessions at the end of the session. You know my height. I'm just like 5 feet, and my sessions when I see these guys, they are all like 5'7", and when they come after the session, they come with ऐसे छोटे बच्चे जैसे होते हैं ना इतना हंस के और रोना आ रहा है. I want to hug. I said come. ताकि उनको इतना hug करते because they realize that life is so beautiful and today for the first time after so many years we are laughing. See, children don't need any reason to laugh. Children laugh 300 times in a day, and we as an adults we are not even laughing 10 times. वो भी क्या बोलते हैं कंजूसी करते हैं इतना इतना हंसते हैं right
Yeah.
थोड़ा. But children,
Yeah.
have you seen गिरते हैं बच्चे तो भी हंसते हैं. We should look at children and we should see them laughing and allow them. So anybody who is live with me right now, if you have a habit of scolding your children या जाके मारते हो ना क्या खीखा खाखा हंसते रहते हो नहीं करना है. We have forgotten to laugh, and what are we doing? Stopping them. Don't do that. आइंदा बच्चों से सीखो यार कुछ बोलो कितने प्यार से हंसते हैं. So allow them to laugh. uh, just to share little more things, there are a lot of tremendous amount of benefits with laughter yoga for children.
Yeah.
We did a research in Bangalore where there is a beautiful research that has happened in Bangalore for children where these children, few group of children were given laughter yoga for 3
Okay.
months, and after the laughter yoga practice, they were not falling sick, no cold, no fever. Otherwise, children often complain for cold and cough and fever. They were not falling sick. They were not having fear. So laughter is about bringing people together. So
Yeah.
because of nuclear family, I, me, myself हो जाता है कभी कभी.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
because yoga, it helps them to come together. Stage fear से बाहर निकल पाए हैं बच्चे लोग. So many things you can just put and research that various research that laughter yoga has helped in healing cancer patients. One of the projects that I have picked up is where I deliver this session for Apollo Hospital in Mumbai, where we regularly, at least once or twice in a year, when these cancer survivors and cancer patients come together, we deliver these laughter yoga sessions for them. In Gujarat, that is in Ahmedabad, I do this session for Gujarat Cancer Society, where we have terminally ill cancer patients laughing together with their family members, with their caretakers, and so on. And the next big thing that would happen very soon is to do a proper research on how laughter yoga is helping in healing cancer patients. Globally, people have come to India, they have learned laughter yoga, and they're delivering this session for these beautiful causes in their country. So it's time that very soon the research would happen in India as well.
Okay, so
So
can
yes,
we
like
compare yeah, can we compare cardio exercises and this laughter yoga? Which one is better? Can we
yes,
do this?
you can. So in fact, in few of the sessions when we have seen the audience wearing the Fitbit and
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah. Fit
so calorie burn
Hellband.
definitely, and in a nice and a fun way. So people who love dance now, they
Yeah,
don't feel like they're doing exercise, right? उनको तो music बजाया
yeah.
एकदम मस्ती में calorie burn हो जाता है. The same way when people are laughing also, you
Hmm.
can try it out when you are laughing. But for that you need to
Hellband.
do it at least for 20-30 minutes nicely. Maybe somebody like me with me when you are doing, and then when you check, you will be able to check that there definitely is benefit and certain calories are being burned. You can
Okay,
definitely make it out.
sure, sure, sure.
Oh, oh, ha ha ha.
Ho ho ha ha. Ha. It will be nice to.
We see some comments. Somebody is
I
asking
love
some questions.
singing.
Am I missing out? I love singing. Sonia, this one is for you. Since you say you love singing, can I give her one singing laughter? So in laughter yoga, as I said, laughter yoga is about childlike playfulness, and we also bring in a lot of singing, dance, music, and meditation. Let me sing something called as banana laughter. Okay, so we have people coming from different countries, so we don't use the words which may few people may resist or
Differ.
not.
Yeah.
Yeah, so while singing, what we do is we use fruit salad laughter, in which we have banana, we have mango, we have kiwi. So one small thing, because somebody just said that Sonia just said I like
She loves
fruits, so
singing.
let me banana, 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 ha 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 ha
Ha.
ha.
Oh, this is really amazing. I've never heard about these things.
Exactly.
Seriously.
Many people have not heard. You can do this with your children back home when you have your kids feeling bored. Get them all together and say banana, 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 banana. Ha 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 ha.
Surely I will do it. Surely I'll do it.
Hmm. I
But see,
don't
I
like
used to.
singing, but I have to try this. Yes, please try. It's amazing. You are best the way you are. People think that आवाज अच्छी है नहीं है. आधा तो life निकल जाता है उसी में that I'm not perfect. People are judging.
Yeah,
Laughter helps you to be the real you. I'm telling you. Look at me. I don't bother what people are saying. What are they thinking?
yeah.
The purpose is very of spreading joy and laughter. So forget it. हंसना है हंसो. गाना गाना है गाना गाना गाओ. Dance करना है dance करो. कुछ भी करो.
Everyone is saying, surely, ma'am, I'll do it. Ma'am, you should try singing.
Oh,
Trying
okay.
singing, like.
I'm a good bathroom singer. I've never thought about singing, but that's a compliment. You made my day. I will think about that. Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you. Thank
okay. So, ma'am, it was a wonderful session with you. Maybe we will join one more time again in future. And yeah, I'll try my best to join your Zoom meetings and your live session on 29th wala. Anyway, I'll try my best. Even
I
I
have
too
already
want
taken
to.
the commitment. ऐसे ही नहीं छोड़ने वाली हूँ हंसा के ही छोड़ूंगी मैं I will ensure you are with me and you are laughing and that's the
Sure.
and I love when people say they're a little shy. I love that challenge because I enjoy. चलो करते हैं फिर से कोशिश करते हैं आज थोड़ा कोशिश किया एक और I can guarantee you when I call you on a WhatsApp video call you're going to laugh more. This is just a
More.
little thoda because you are looking at the messages and you have to respond
I
better
never
better and
laughed. I never laughed this much on any live session. Seriously.
तो आइंदा से कभी भी लाइव सेशन जाओ ना सी गोइंग लाइव आल्सो पीपल ऑफन से दैट दे फील नर्वस क्या पूछना है कभी भूल गए क्या कैसे पूछना है, सेशन से पहले एक बार साइलेंट लाफ्टर पक्का करना, तो वो पूरा
Yeah.
टेंशन चला जाएगा. देन यू विल बी मोर हैप्पी एंड जॉयफुल, एंड यू आई एम श्योर यू विल बी डिलीवरिंग फैंटास्टिक.
Yeah. Thank you for this. I'll do
Thank
it
you so
definitely.
much. And cute. You look very nice when you are smiling. So continue laughing. I
Thank
wish you
you. Thank you
abundance
so
of
much.
fun.
Thank you so much. You are very fruitful and wonderful person. Very warm. It's seriously, it's Vento's pleasure. It's my pleasure to have you on this platform. Seriously, you were amazing. We'll
Thank
meet
you.
you soon.
We will definitely meet soon. And for all our viewers, I just have one message before we leave. We all have taken life too seriously. It is
Yeah.
time to take laughter seriously. जिंदगी को इतना सीरियस मत बनाओ कि अपने फिर सीरियस हो जाए और डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़े. उसकी जगह पे थोड़ा हंसी को सीरियसली ले लो ताकि खुशी और अच्छी चीजें अपने जिंदगी में आए. And don't forget to follow me on the social
Yeah.
media, so that you can watch more videos. आज तो अच्छा लगा, आज अर्चना मैम आई, घर पे कैसे बैठ के हंसे. तो देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज नो मोर मंडे ब्लूज. ऑन एवरी मंडे आई कम अप विद न्यू एक्सरसाइज. YouTube channel Laughter Yoga with Archana Rao has got lot of laughter videos, and I also have got something called as 7 days of gratitude. अभी के टाइम पे पक्का 7 days of gratitude ले लो. You will realize that वो जो छोटा मोटा complaining और stress और worry है ना, वो सब चला जाएगा. So follow me so that one, you can get updated for all the free sessions where you can be part of it. We are also coming up with something called as sound healing. Today we could only talk about laughter yoga. ऐसा बात
Yeah.
करने जाएंगे तो साउंड हीलिंग के बारे में इतना कुछ है, एक्सेस बार के बारे में
Yeah.
इतना कुछ है, स्विच वर्ड्स के बारे में इतना कुछ है, which you will be able to look. And don't take life so seriously, guys. It's time to take laughter seriously. Our lives are precious. Let us just enjoy it. And thank you to you
Thank
and
you.
your entire team for putting this amazing program together on Insta so that this can be benefits to more and more people. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. I'll personally follow you.
Sure.
Thank you
So
so
let's
much.
laugh and end this session. I always believe in spreading joy. तो थोड़ा सा कोशिश करते थे इस बार, थोड़ा सा 20-30% से 40% जाने की कोशिश करते हैं. ठीक है?
Sure.
Here we go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Bye bye, darling. Love you. God bless you. Take
Bye.
care. Bye.
Thank you. Guys, it was wonderful session with Archana Rao. She was amazing. She have happiness in their soul, in their she's spreading joy of laugh. She's amazing. Seriously, we are all pleasure to have her on this platform. So, guys, whether you're guffawing at a situation, sitcom on a TV, or quietly giggling at a newspaper cartoon, laughing does you good. Laughing is great form of stress relief, stimulate many organs, soothe tensions, improve immense system, relieving pain, increase personal satisfaction, improve your mood. Because if your mood is not good, it may leads to depression, and depression may leads to many chronic illness. So laughing is a powerful antidote for depression. Antidotes, like it's a powerful antidote for depressions, reduces BP, reduces symptoms of allergies, asthma, arthritis, and help in chronic illness like cancer, diabetes. So laugh out loud. And yeah, today we will be announcing our Nika giveaway winner, which we collaborated with Kabir Krishna Kumar. So today, so winner is Mona Lisa Das. She was following from us from, yeah, she was so amazing. Okay, so Mona Lisa Das is a winner of that giveaway, which is worth of 1,000. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Bye-bye. Take care. Let's make your day special with Evento.